His little wings. See them right there? They're just little sticky nubs right now.
Oh, so in like a couple hours they'll grow to be big.
You gotta pump blood through them, and they get bigger. Yeah.
They basically inflate.
They get bigger, and then they'll dry out. And tomorrow night we'll take them outside and turn them loose.
Same with that little dude.
Is he
I'm
going
gonna
yet?
name him Slowpoke.
Well, he's had a hard time of, falling off his stick and not getting things done.
How about George and John?
You come up with some weird names for critters.
How about Tiny Wing and Scissor Claw?
We'll see. How are you going to tell them apart once they get out there?
That one's going to be smaller.
I see. Glad you got this figured out.
You heard that, didn't you?
Don't.
I just want to touch his shell.
You can touch it, but don't poke him.
It feels so weird. Like, where are we going to put him when he's done?
I'll get another jar and hang him.
Oh, you know what you should do? Get tiny hooks and then, like, put them through the screen and hang them up so the cats can't get to them.
I'm sure your dad would be thrilled that I'm bringing more bugs in and hanging them in our bedroom.
No, you can hang them in mine.
Yeah, because your room doesn't smell weird.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the smell would poison them all.
Yeah.
I think he needs more help. He's flapping his little wings.
Yeah, he's trying to get the blood through him so his wings grow.
I want to watch them get bigger.
Well, look at his little puny wings. Oh, they're so sad and small right now.
Oh, you can kind of see the decoration and how they're getting clear. The ends of them kind of look like cottage cheese.
Ew.
Really old, mashed up cottage cheese that's out of date and spoiled.
Maybe you should ask me before you eat things.
Now I looked at it and I smelled it and I'm like, nope. And just dropped that in the trash can. I can see all of his tiny little eyes.
Well, he's only got 2.
No, like they're tinier black dots inside. And I can see a really big one and then tiny little itsy bitsy pellets. Cousin used to have this pellet gun that was like this long. But getting off topic, Cicada.
Just hold that here. Hold this part still so he can wiggle out.
Okay.
Since he's not hooked to the tree. Don't squish it though.
Yeah, maybe you should do it because I keep on going like.
Yeah. What?
His first little flap.
Yeah.
He just went.
Well, I want to make sure he gets a good grip on that screen.
So it doesn't just fall and die.
Well, he's got to have some place to hold on to while he hardens up.
The other one didn't.
Yeah, he did. He was on the screen.
Yeah, just sitting there. He wasn't hanging upside down and hanging or anything. Just sitting.
No, he was on the screen.
You should wiggle him out a little more. Give him a boost. Oh, the little rest of him.